Today, I'd like to introduce our pride, the 2,500-ton die casting machine. It's one of our largest and most advanced devices, boasting a powerful 2,500-ton locking force for high-pressure stability during production. We first heat the ingot to 800 degrees Celsius and then precisely inject the molten aluminum into the mold. Under high pressure, the aluminum solidifies to form the product's precise shape. After solidification, the mold opens, revealing the finished casting. An automated arm extracts the product, ensuring integrity and efficiency. The automation also includes mold cooling and applying release agents for a seamless production cycle. The 2,500-ton die casting machine represents advanced manufacturing, reflecting our commitment to quality. Through craftsmanship and automation, we produce high-quality products to meet diverse needs. Thank you for watching, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.